Doing your homework?
Yeah.
How much homework do you have?
Spelling. This is spelling. I also have math and guided reading.
Guided?
Yes.
Guided reading. Is that like the guiding? Is that like the guiding light?
No.
It's a soap opera, or like a guided missile. Bless you.
That was Hiccup.
I know. So I'd have to say, bless you every time you hiccup.
That'd be annoying.
Yes, it would. Don't put the pencil up your nose.
I'm not.
Okay.
That's just
Because
weird.
then you're gonna. I know. Then you spread something all over your paper if you made a mistake. Now keep it out of your eye. Keep it out of your eye, okay?
Okay.
All right. Yeah, guide and guide. Guided missile. I mean, or guided guide the person.
Guide. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Are they both spelled the same? Okay. She gets the good homework. I get stuck with middle school homework.
Well, what is it that you're doing?
Reading.
You like reading.
Yes, but then you have to write. So why is it called reading?
It's reading and writing and arithmetic. Without the arithmetic.
Well, that's why I go to English.
They're gone.
I think so. They're not.
Do your homework, please.
I did.
Well, then why are you upset?
Because I don't have any good homework. It's not fair. There's no homework at all.
I know.
None.
All right. Well, you have to be finished with school for there to be no homework. Then you have to get a job and work and pay taxes.
I don't want to kill anyone. I just want to give you a massage. Yeah.
So you're almost done.
Yes.
Fork you eat with. A road with more than one street. No, actually it's when a road separates in two directions. You should put that. When a road separates in two directions.
Okay.
There you go, that's better. Give us a smile.